I'm a mom to 3 kids at Heschel in grades 7, 5, and 1. And unlike some of you, I was choosing a school for slightly older children. We moved our kids to Heschel when my oldest was set to start grade 2. I knew a little bit about my children as learners and what would make them thrive. I want to share with you why I love Heschel and why I chose Heschel. The first thing I learned about Heschel is that it is uniquely devoted to teaching students to be fluent in Hebrew. Within just a few weeks of junior kindergarten, the students are being spoken to exclusively in Hebrew by their Hebrew teacher. By grade 1, the children engage with the teachers and with each other very clearly in Hebrew. Heschel is focused on ensuring that the children speak in Hebrew with proper pronunciations and accents. Not like when I was a child. I was very surprised to hear how much Hebrew is spoken in the hallways between students and teachers and among the teachers themselves. Even the English teachers will stretch themselves to engage with their Hebrew-speaking colleagues in Hebrew. My children come home singing Hebrew songs and delight in the Israeli culture their teachers and friends share with them. Another reason I chose Heschel is for its value of community, which translates into the value of pluralism. My family is Shomer Shabbat and Shomer Kashrut, which is not always easy as we are a minority within the student body. But my children are learning to love and engage with Jews across the spectrum. They understand how to share meals outside of school when kashrut is not a given and how to pray in different formats, no matter the Siddur. Their love for Am Yisrael is not something I saw in my education in the day school system, but it is so important to me and my family. And yes, our values may sometimes differ, but exposure to a wide variety of customs and practices allows our children to engage and appreciate how some families celebrate Shabbat and Kashrut differently than we do. I am very grateful to the teachers and staff at Heschel who create an environment for my children to grow, thrive, and wonder. If you want a school with an incredible academic program, one that will foster a strong Jewish identity, provide opportunities for your children to become bilingual, explore their talents through a range of extracurricular activities, and teach your children to be mensches within a beautiful community, then Heschel is the place to be. I look forward to chatting with you all after the open house. Thank you.